Listen, student. First, I have taught you two rules of the tense. Now, I am teaching you exception to rule second. Second rule, I have taught you already. If the reporting verb is in past tense, the tense of the reported speech is changed according to the correspondence of the past tense. But exception to rule second, if there is a universal truth, it means permanent truth or habitual fact in the reported speech, the tense of the verb is never changed. यदि परमानेंट ट्रूथ होता है, सार्वभौमिक सच्चाई होता है, आदत संबंधी वाक्य होता है, तो रिपोर्टेड स्पीच का जो टेंस वो नहीं बदलता है. इफ देयर इज ए यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ और हैबिचुअल फैक्ट इन द रिपोर्टेड स्पीच, द टेंस ऑफ द वर्ब इज नेवर चेंज. सेकेंड, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द टीचर सेड the earth rotates around its axis. In direct, the teacher said that the earth rotates around its axis. No change in tense. Second, the tense of the verb in the reported speech does not change if the reported speech states a past historical fact. जो historical fact does not change in direct speech. My father said that India became free on 15th August 1947. No change in tense. So, again, I have told you that the rule of the tense, if the reporting verb is in present tense or future tense, the tense of the reported speech does not change. Second, if the reporting verb is in past tense, the tense of the reported speech is changed according to the correspondence of the past tense. Exception to rule second, if there is universal truth, it means permanent truth. Suppose the sun rises in the east. Always it is written the sun rises in the east. Habitual fact in the reported speech, the tense of the verb is never changed. Second, the tense of the verb in the reported speech does not change if the reported speech states a past historical fact. So, change in tenses already has been finished by me. Once more, verb, the first form of verb change to second form of the verb. Is or am change into was or were. Has, have change into had. Has been or have been change into had been. Second form of verb is change into the had plus third form of the verb. Was, were change into had been, change into had been. Will or shall, would or should, can, could, may, might, do not or does not, did not and did not change into had plus third form of the verb. Listen carefully, my dear students. If you want to learn direct indirect, then it is necessary to learn change in person. Without person, you cannot change direct into indirect. So it is very necessary. And in your grammar book, functional has already given this chapter. So there are three kinds of person. But what is person? First, the parts of speech. Words are divided in different kinds or classes, each called parts of speech. There are 8 kinds of parts of speech, already you know. Noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. And second part of the parts of speech is pronoun. Pronoun instead of a noun. Instead of a noun. The word which replace the place of noun, यानी कि जो संज्ञा के स्थान के ऊपर जो शब्द प्रयुक्त होता है उसे प्रोनाउन या सर्वनाम कहते हैं. एंड pronouns are 6 or 7 kind. First, personal pronoun, and there are 3 kinds of personal pronoun. First person, second person and third person. First person, I, we, me, us, my, mine, our. These are all first person. I is subject, me is object, we is subject, us is object, my and mine is possessive, our also possessive. So these are changed. These are changed according to the subject of the reporting verb. Reporting verb, according to the reporting verb. Example, he said, I am running a race. He said, is reporting verb, and I am running a race is reported speech. I is first person, so I change into he, because he is the subject of the reporting verb. And is MR, already I have taught you, is MR change into was a verb. So he said that I change into he, that he was running a race. Next, second person, you, your and you. Only 3 you, your and you. One you is subject or one you is object. So these are changed according to the object of the reporting verb. First person according to the subject of the reporting verb, and second person according to the object of the reporting verb. Suppose, for example, he said to me, you have seen the film. Now said to. Said to change into told. So he told me that I had seen the film. Have or had change into had. So he told me that I had seen the film. And third person, he, she, it, they, him, her, them, his, her, their, its, no change. Second person, first person change into subject of the reporting verb, second person change according to the subject of the reported, object of the reported speech, and there is no change in third person. So I have written 1, 2, 3. 1 means first person, change according to the subject. 2 means second person. It means second person, you, your, you change according to the object. Or third person, no change. N, S-O-N. S मतलब subject, O object, no मतलब third person. So first person change according to the subject of the reporting verb. Second person, you, your, you change according to the object of the reporting verb. Third person, there is no change in third person. and I am giving some exercise in your grammar book. Listen carefully. Exercise number first, page number 282. So you will do at home tomorrow. Thank you very much.